Hey noodle heads, I'm gonna show you how I got this pretty marble effect nails. Oh yeah, by the way, I use spaghetti to get the nail tips. You heard correctly, spaghetti. So first, we're gonna get the spaghetti noodles and chop them in half or break them in half. And yes, make sure they are uncooked. You don't want no floppy noodles. And then I just sized it up and got some glue and stuck it on there. I accidentally made a mistake of putting a little too much glue, and I didn't even film the whole thing. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But so we're just gonna line it up like this. It doesn't matter how the top looks because I'm gonna go ahead and chop that off later. But yeah, I made this mistake of putting too much glue, so I couldn't pop this nail off after, but it's okay because I liked it. So there she is. Make sure she's intact. And then I went ahead and added a little more to keep it in place. And now we're going to just quickly go ahead and apply the acrylic. So the only other issue about this is since the noodles are thick, I had to make this nail very thick, which, I mean, some people like thick nails, but I prefer them thin if you haven't already known. And then here's the part where we just chop her off right quick. Chippity chop chop. At first I was like, oh my gosh, this is so strange. This is weird. It looks ugly. But once I filed it down, it ended up looking kind of cute. And then once I painted it, it looked cute. So I ended up painting all my nails like this. So yeah, go ahead and file it down to the shape you want. Then we're going to buffer before we apply nail polish so that the nail polish can stick. And then here I'm going to use the pink nail polish, and I'm going to do one coat over the entire nail, or it's up to you. I don't know if I needed another coat. Wait, what? Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. But go ahead and put a coat. And then here's the fun part. We're going to take the white nail polish and we're going to put like dots. Dip, dot, dop. And then we're going to take the pink one again and we're going to put some dots following up. Dot, dot, dot. And then we're going to take your clear nail polish, my Hamajang clear nail polish, and you're just going to do like this. Swirly, swirly, swirl. Like, ew, look how ugly it is. Just wait. The results are really cute. I'm not even a fan of marble nails, but I don't know. This one was just really cute to me. So I went ahead and did the same to the rest of my nails. On my other two nails, though, I put the white down first with pink dots. But yeah, so there she is. If you do decide to use spaghetti as nail tips, make sure you put clear polish underneath where the spaghetti tips are, because when you wash your hands or wash dishes, you see that? It might get soft. But yeah, thanks for watching. Deuces.